Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am. Present.
Good morning. Good morning, children. Chelsea, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Probably this would be your first session, first class in this session, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. In Zoom classes first time.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
11th तो बेटा ऐसे ही निकल गया. Apart from one or two children, Lakshita, Akshat, most of you did not turn up for the classes. Do not do this in class 12th. Otherwise, you'll have a difficult time. Try and understand. It's going to be difficult for you, not for the teachers. So when we say something, it is for your benefit. We are not going to get any benefit out of this. Remember, it is you who has to face the board examination. Today, I've taken up something very simple because it is the first class. I'm not starting officially with the syllabus that I need to do. Just a small interactive session. So let's start a little. What we are going to do is a very simple comprehension passage. Then I'll start with your writing section from the next class, proper syllabus that we have. Today, just a very simple part so that we are more comfortable. Do you have Ishan? Yes, we have Ishan in your class, right? Okay. I want you to just read the first 3 paragraphs. Your time starts now. Read the first 3 paragraphs. Have you read the first 3 paragraphs, beta? Have you read, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
The first 3 paragraphs, I give you time. Now please read the 4th and the 5th paragraph. Then we'll go ahead and we'll start discussing. Are we read? Are we done, beta? Fourth and fifth?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody wants more time? Should I wait for a minute or two, or you done?
I'm done.
Done.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. If we are done, now let's do this. On the basis of your reading the paragraph, you have to try and answer these 5 questions. We'll start. Take your time. Just note down the options somewhere, A, B, C, D, whatever you feel is correct. Then I'll ask you one by one.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Yes, are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We are done with how many questions? We are done with the first 5, right?
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have 3 more batches. Let's attempt these also. Then we'll discuss the answers. Let's see who gets maximum correct. Once you finish, let me know that you're done, beta.
Ma'am, can you please show the passage again?
So, beta, any specific paragraph you want me to show? Chalo, I'll show you. Take this. See, beta. I think this part you'll be able to see. Good, at least you're doing it seriously. If you want to see the 5th, let me know clearly.
Yes, ma'am, you can scroll down.
What about others, beta? You want to see
Ma'am,
anything
please show
specific?
the question.
I'm doing.
First one. Okay. Chaliye, see the first one also, beta. Do it nicely.
Ma'am, please show the questions.
See the questions, beta. Are we done, bachas?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Take your time, beta. When you all are done, let me know, then I'll discuss beta. Hanji beta, are we done or not?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
Yes,
Does
ma'am.
anyone want me to wait or should I start discussing?
Ma'am, start.
Akshat says start. What about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Start.
Yes,
Lakshita,
ma'am. Start.
Akshat, Pratishtha, and Arohi. Only 4 students in the class. So impressed. It's almost the same what we had last year when you were in class 11th. Children don't realize only. Now this is not 11th beta. This is 12th. Chali, never mind. We have nothing to do. Let's start. Jamaica is most famous for
Ma'am,
Option
A.
C.
option C, sprinters and marathon runners. Good. The best and the cheapest time to visit Negril are between
November and
Option B.
mid-December.
When mid-December.
November and mid-December. Good.
December.
Which one, beta, Akshay? What are you saying, bacha? Different answer?
Ma'am, November and mid-December.
The same है then. The guides and the deep sea divers at Negril are experienced and knowledgeable. True or false?
True.
Ma'am, true.
Negril Beach does not have a diverse ecosystem. True or false?
False.
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 Good. Jamaica is a dash island.
Ma'am, we skipped the
Caribbean
fourth one.
island.
Hanji, what did you say, beta?
Caribbean island.
Ma'am, we skipped the fourth one.
Caribbean is correct. Your friend is asking for the 4th answer. Tell him again. True or
Ma'am,
false?
it's
The
true.
fourth is true.
Yes. Negril Beach offers great scope for adventure sports. True. And 6th, Jamaica is a dash island. I got the correct answer. It's Caribbean island. Good, good. The calm and serenity of the Negril Beach offers one the time for
Self-introspection.
Self-introspection.
good. Self-introspection. Find the word from the passage which means the same as to think deeply about something. I'm going to paragraph 1.
Ma'am,
So that you can-
contemplate.
Come on. Anybody else? Any other different answer? Very
Ma'am,
good. The answer is
Contemplate.
it
Ma'am,
is contemplate.
Contemplate.
Very good. It is contemplate. Now I'll ask you something. Let's go back. Which word in the first paragraph means perfect? Perfect. See
Ideal.
carefully. Ideal. Now we are going to have a quiz. Let's see
Ideal.
who wins. I got the first answer. Who answered?
And Pratishtha.
So Pratishtha has 1 point. We are starting with this competition. It is ideal. Second one. Which word in the first paragraph means well known for?
Ma'am, famous.
Ma'am, famous.
Famous. Very good. Famous. Again,
Famous.
Pratishtha. Again, Pratishtha answered first.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Pratishtha has 2 points. Next. Which word in the first paragraph means to come together as a group? Come together as a group.
Flock.
Very good. Flock. Who gave this answer?
Arohi.
Arohi. So Pratishtha is 2, Arohi is 1. Others, please come on, join the competition. Next. Which word in the first paragraph means the most liked?
Favorite.
Favorite. Who gave this answer?
Arohi.
Arohi. So what is the score now? Give me your scores.
Pratishtha and Arohi 2 points.
Pratishtha also 2, Arohi also 2. Okay, next question. Land near the sea. Which word in the second paragraph means land near the sea?
Island.
Island.
Some beaches.
Where is it? Is it mentioned in the second paragraph? Island? I cannot see. Which line is it?
Ma'am, beaches.
Yes, it is not island. It is beaches. There is no word as island in the second paragraph. Who gave this answer now again? Beaches?
And Pratishtha.
Pratishtha. Now keep maintaining your scores. Which word in the second paragraph means well known for?
Famous.
Hmm?
Famous.
Famous. Yes,
Ma'am,
correct.
famous.
Famous. So keep adding on your scores. Whoever answers first gets 1 point. Next one. Okay, be ready. Which word in the second paragraph means maximum, at the maximum?
Ma'am, peak.
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 Peak. Now, can we have the scores at the end of the second paragraph?
Lakshita 1.
Lakshita.
Pratishtha 4.
Pratishtha 2.
4.
Okay. Akshat.
Arohi 2.
Yes, ma'am.
अपना बेटा score खोलो. Next one.
Yes, ma'am. Trying.
Word. Okay. Which word in paragraph 3 means variety?
Diverse.
Diverse.
Diverse. Very good. Diverse. Whoever answered first can add on the score. Next. Which word in the third paragraph means wealth?
Treasures.
Treasures.
Treasures. Very good. Which word in the third paragraph means rare?
Exotic.
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 Very good. Now, can I have the scores at the end of paragraph 3? Tell me your scores at the end of paragraph 3.
And Pratishtha 7.
Pratishtha 7.
Arohi
One
3.
by one. Okay.
Lakshita
Next.
1.
Next one. Others. Arohi.
3, ma'am.
Okay. Akshat.
Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, I am giving the answer, but I am never the first one to
You
answer.
were the first one. Chale, koi baat nahi. Next one. Fourth paragraph. Which word in the fourth paragraph means excitement?
And exhilarating.
Adventurous.
Hmm. Yes.
Snorkeling.
And exhilarating.
No.
And snorkeling.
Mm-hmm. Exact
Thrill.
word. Thrill. Yes, I got the answer. Thrill. Okay. Next one. Which word in the fourth paragraph means to be scared of?
Afraid.
Afraid.
Afraid. Thoda late ho gaya, Akshat. Keep counting your scores. Which word in the fourth paragraph means to find out more about?
Explore.
Very
Explore.
good. It is explore. Which word in the same paragraph means to be very good at one's work?
Professional.
Finally, Akshat has opened his score. Perfect, correct answer. It is professional. Very good, very good. Keep trying. Now, let me ask more questions from you. Which word in question paragraph 4 means the apparatus?
Assistant.
Equipment. Equipment.
Gears.
Yes,
Equipment.
Equipments and gears.
answer. Can I have the scores now? Very quickly, one by one.
Lakshita 4.
Okay, Lakshita,
Pratishtha 7.
Pratishtha 7. Yes.
Arohi 4.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay, Arohi 4 and Akshat 1. Good. At least you've joined the race now. That is more important. Let's move on to the next paragraph now. Fifth paragraph. Which word in the, let me show you the paragraph clearly first. Fifth paragraph is here. Which word in the fifth paragraph means peaceful?
Calm.
Calm.
And
Calm.
serenity.
Yes, it is calm. Very good. Next. Which word in the fifth paragraph means to judge oneself?
Self-introspection.
Introspection.
Introspection. Very good. Self-introspection. Which word in the paragraph means among nature? Among nature? Tell me.
Half of nature.
Yes, it is lap of nature. Very good. Next, which word means in the noise of the city?
Hustle and
Hustle and
bustle.
bustle of the city.
मैं hustle and bustle.
Yes. Hustle and bustle.
Bustle.
Which word in the same paragraph means to think deeply?
Ponder.
Introspection.
Ponder over.
Ponder.
Ponder. Very good. I got the answer. It is ponder. Too good. Next one now. Which paragraph, which word tells purity?
Serenity.
Next.
Hmm?
Serenity.
Serenity. Which is the word?
Serenity.
Very good, beta. Very, very good. Now, can I have the scores once again?
Lakshita 8.
Lakshita
Pratishtha
8.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Arohi 8.
Wow. And
Arohi 8.
Pratishtha 10.
okay. Now it is your chance to ask questions. Okay, one by one, each one of you will answer. And let's see who answers first. You can add on your scores now from your friends' questions. Who will ask first? I'm giving you time. Plan your questions. Come on, plan your questions. Anything from these paragraphs you plan. And then by name you ask. No, don't ask by name. Just give a question. See who answers first. Start. Plan your questions. I'm giving you 2 minutes to plan your question. Are you ready with your questions? Rita, are you ready with your questions? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is ready?
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is ready with the questions? Come on, start asking, beta. पूछो जल्दी से. भाई के पास है. भाई के पास रखो.
Ma'am, what local charters indicate in the third para?
Please repeat.
Answer, beta. Answer. Who will answer first?
Please repeat.
What does local charters in the third para indicate?
Local vendors.
Okay, local vendors. Do you agree with the answer? Tell me, do you agree with the answer? Hmm?
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
batao. Yes. Next. Next. Ask the next question, please.
And which experience is very thrilling among the tourists?
Yes, very good. Ask
Scuba
answer.
diving.
Scuba diving.
You're satisfied with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Whose turn?
Ma'am, may
Yes, please go ahead.
I? Ma'am, the divers were very dash.
Can you repeat?
Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable.
Fine
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will ask the next one? Come on, let's continue.
Ma'am, I will ask.
Ask.
Which word in the first paragraph is the synonym of foliage?
Synonym of
Foliage. FOLIAGE.
Good question.
Greenery.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nice questions coming up. More children, try more. Very good. This is how you improve your vocabulary. I'm waiting. More questions. Not getting more? Pick up any paragraph.
Ma'am, Negril was famous for its
Okay, good. Answer beta. He's asked something.
Frontrunners.
Beaches.
What did you say? Speak again.
And great weather.
Do you agree with the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, smart children. Very good. Continue. See how nicely you are able to ask an answer.
Ma'am, in the third para, what is the antonym of trash?
Very good. Very interesting question. Answer.
Can you repeat the question?
In the third para, what is an antonym of trash?
Treasure.
Yes.
Very good. Rather than asking a synonym, she's gone for antonym. Too good. बहुत ही अच्छा. Continue with her.
Ma'am,
We
in
still
the
have
fourth
2 minutes.
paragraph. Ma'am, in the fourth paragraph, which word is similar to excitement?
Exhilarating.
Accelerating.
Which word is
Right.
similar to excitement in fourth paragraph?
Exhilarating.
Exhilarating.
No, thrill.
It's thrill. And beta, one more thing. 2-3 students of your class, Ananya, Harshita, they are in the waiting room. But we all should know that anytime
Ma'am, there
we
are
will not
only
admit
five.
the students. Maximum 5 minutes. We log the meeting. We'll mark the students absent. This is class 12. Your attendance will be short, so you will be yourself answerable. Tell your friends in case they want to come, they should come on time. See, we still have some people in the waiting room, but I'm not going to admit.
Ma'am,
Okay,
they are
continue
of
with that.
science.
Why are they coming here? Anyways, you continue. Chalo. Continue. Come on. More questions.
In paragraph 2 and 3, what is the synonym of eccentric?
Good.
Repeat, please.
Hmm.
What's the question?
In which paragraph?
2 and 3.
Good. Try. Come on, speak.
Repeat the word.
Synonym of extrinsic. EXTRINCISIC.
Pratishtha, what was the word?
Extrinsic.
Which para?
Good question.
2 and 3.
Let me see who answers. Good. Try.
Exotic.
Yes.
Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we still have time. We can ask 1-2 more questions. Continue. Very nice class. Nice session.
Ma'am, in November and mid-December, how was
How was? Ask.
In November and mid-December, how was the weather?
Okay, answer.
Pleasant.
Have
Pleasant.
pleasant weather.
Weather was pleasant. So the
Yes, ma'am.
maximum tourists feel that the best time to come there is which time, Peter?
November and
January
mid-December.
and March.
November and mid-December.
So today was just an interactive class. We had an interactive session. From the next class, we are going to start with proper writing section. You've got different kind of syllabus this year. We've got invitations, how to accept invitations, how to deny invitations, all those things. So we'll be doing it properly. You don't have grammar in class 12th.